Good afternoon and welcome to another Liverpool Hope Facebook Live. Today we're going to be looking at the Department of Geography and Environmental Science. We're going to be talking to two tutors. We're going to be having a little look at our outside on our campus downstairs. And it's a lovely day on our campus, as you can see kind of out the window. We've got blue skies, a little bit of a change from the rain that we had earlier on this morning. So we're going to go and talk to one of our tutors about the course. We're going to hear about their role and what they think about Liverpool Hope and stuff like that. So I'm going to turn the camera around now. Hello, Harry, do you mind introducing yourself and your role in the university?
Hi, my name is Dr. Thomas Smith. I am a lecturer in Geography and Environmental Science. I also teach into tourism a little bit and biology, so I see everyone in their first year here at Liverpool Hope. Right,
okay, so you're, as you say there, you're heavily involved in the first year, and what kind of support do you feel is put in place, particularly for those who are in there?
People in it studying your degree or much smaller than that, but we always make sure that you have a 1 to 10 tutorial group, so you meet with the same 10 people every week at the same time with the same tutor, and you have that tutor throughout your 3 years. So those bonds that you make in your first few weeks here at Hope, they last the whole way throughout, and you have that relationship with the tutor, which is, completely different. So it's not like school, it's a big university, you're left to your own, but also you have that strong relationship with your fellow students and with the tutor as well, so you're not left by yourself by any means.
And even, you say there, you mentioned you go to postgraduate, you do a lot of field work and you have those close bonds to your tutor.
Set of sand dunes in England, so I study how this waves bring the sand onto the beach and then how that sand moves from the beach into the sand dunes and how those sand dunes evolve and develop over time. So I do that using quite a complex bit of software, so it's called computational fluid dynamics. So it's a bit of, it's kind of like physics, but it's like a virtual wind tunnel, but instead of putting a Formula 1 car, instead of a wind tunnel, I get a model of a sand dune and I put it in there instead. So I take some really cool technology and apply it to something really, really boring, but I absolutely love it. And it takes me all over the world. So I've worked in Australia, the United States, China.
Introducing yourself and explaining again what your role is. If we have a little bit of a walk. Switch the camera around now. So.
Hello everyone. My name is Paul. I'm Paul Rooney. I'm the Deputy Head of Department for Geography and Environmental Science. And my specialism is coastal sand dunes and coastal environments. Yeah, the Liverpool football ticket, I'll sort that out in a minute. It's a real environment, you can tell you Liverpool. There's a big match on this weekend.
So live, proud Liverpoolian.
Of course, we're only a stone's throw from 3 national parks.
Yeah,
in fact,
exactly.
We've got a field centre in Snowdonia National Park, where Charles Darwin lived for a while.
Amazing.
So we take all the students there. Yeah.
Amazing. So obviously you've mentioned there that students come along, they can do it as a full degree, half degree, you've got postgraduate opportunities. Obviously you're involved with undergraduate and postgraduate. Do you mind explaining maybe some of the differences between if someone's studying environmental management and undergraduate to the postgraduate? What's that step up like?
Okay, the step up. Undergraduate, we start you off in the first year. All the way through the course, there's close support at Liverpool Hope. Yeah. I know that. I was a student here 34 years ago, so it's not. That's absolutely true. So at first year, we start you off, and we do. For instance, in geography, we do geography. Yeah. So you'll do human geography, physical geography, and environmental geography. Okay. And as you go through the course into the second year and then into the third year, it increasingly becomes a bit more challenging in the right way, yeah. and more independent, because you learn to stand on your 2 feet more academically. We're always, although you stand on your own 2 feet, there's always a tutor standing close by with you.
Yeah.
When you get to postgraduate level, then we're really taking things forward there, where we're into the area about the creation of knowledge. That's what universities are about. We find things out, we create knowledge, but then importantly we share that. We share it through our teaching, we share it through our publications. And so as you go through your course from undergraduate, first, second, third year, through to your taught postgrad, and even then into your research degree, you become much more part of that process of the creation of knowledge. It's really exciting. It's really
so obviously one of the things that makes Hope quite unique is that all of our tutors are research active, so I'm sure you'll agree, Paul, when students are doing their research, whether it's for the dissertation, for postgraduate, the tutors are in the same boat. You guys are doing it alongside them.
I'll give you an example. just week before last, we had 57 of our students, second years and third years, geography, environmental science, tourism, management, out in Malta. Right, with some of our postgraduate MSc students. There's a bit of taught stuff in there that you find out about the place. But what those students were doing with us was doing research.
Yeah.
We were off there creating new knowledge. We were looking at trying to understand more about the way the waterfront and the cityscapes being regenerated in Valletta and Slima. If you've seen it in the news today, the BBC, about all the plastics on beaches and rivers.
Right,
well, we were had a big research project on all the beaches in Malta, looking at plastic needles. These are all the little fragments which are everywhere in the environment. But we were finding out what the extent of that was in Malta, and then also thinking we had students working with one of our PhD students there as well, looking at the natural hazards in Malta. What's the tsunami, the big tidal wave risk for Malta? And we held a little conference with the University of Malta about these things. So it's new stuff.
Yeah,
it's all new stuff.
It's ongoing. There's a network of knowledge between academics, students, other universities, like you said, with the universities of Malta. So thank you so much for taking the time to speak to us. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this Facebook Live. We've got a few more to do tomorrow. We've got Fine and Applied Art at 12:30, and obviously that's going to be taking place at our creative campus. So make sure you tune into that. Make sure you've got any questions posted onto here or onto YouTube once it gets uploaded to YouTube, and we'll be sure to answer them. But as always, thank you very much for tuning in.